Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze forecast next week gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So my Telegram link is below. You can join with and make good profit from the gold trading. So I'm in a 4-hour time frame goal. You can see this trend line, so price get the discount from here, buy and get the discount from here, and again by recent low get the discount and buy, recent low and get the discount and buy. So recent low and the discount and buy, that is the that was the happen in last few weeks. So huge demand with the gold, so buyers are interesting to buy gold. So that was happened. So last Friday, this is the recent low, so buyers gets the discount in here and not continue to the upside. So that's what the interesting happened in the technically. This was the double top pattern, and so price breakout from the this trend line in here last Friday. That is the technically picture with the 4-hour time frame. So that was the happen. So you can wait for the retest in here for the sell again and wait for the price section in here is the interesting in the next week goal trading. So let's see the what is the fundamental. So this is the interesting event. So interesting zone, this two zones, 4280, 4310. This is the interesting two zones if you touch with the next week gold trading. So price not touch with the sell this zone again can be continuation to the upside. So this is the daily chart goal. So let's see the fundamental behind this daily candle in last week, last 5 days. You can see Monday to Thursday, so 4 days are in the green candle. So buyers interesting to buy gold in last 4 days, Monday to Thursday. So this is the new all-time high, 4380 was created last week. So buyers are interesting to buy gold. So gold huge demand last week. What are the reason? Main reason is the US China trade war. So Donald Trump was mentioned that the new tariff will introduce to China from November 1st. So that is the main reason for safe haven demand. So second reason for the US government shutdown is still continuing as the third week. So geopolitical uncertainty is there. So third main reason is the rate cutoff. So next FOMC meeting is the October FOMC meeting. Rate cutoff is still priced into the market. So that will help to safe haven demand and US dollar depreciate and sell off. That's the main three reasons for the safe haven demand. So remember, gold is the safe haven asset. Gold demand last week, last 4 days, so is still in the gold uptrend, is still in the gold buy side. So interesting thing is the last Friday. So last Friday you can see the red candle is there. Buyers are sell to gold. So buyers shift to the sell gold. So buyers take profit in the new all-time high. So main reason for safe haven demand drop from the last week Friday. So above $100 gold price dropped to the below side last week. So main reason for the so Donald Trump negotiate with the Trump doing very well on trade negotiation with China. That's the comments on last Friday. This comment is this is the main reason for safe haven demand drop. Gold drop from the last Friday. So that's he mentions the FX Street website mentioned gold crashes 2% from record high as Trump tempers threat on China. So that's the Forex factory mentioned. So that think we are in the meeting, will meet with the China. So that's the negotiate. He decide with the China. That's the trade negotiates. That's the these candles that was created, red candles. That's the gold drop from the China. That's the main reason for that. So buyers sell the gold and take profit from the Friday. That's the fundamental story behind this channel. So if you are trading gold like a safe haven asset, you should know the fundamental, and you should know the safe haven asset demand or drop from here. That is the main things for gold trading. So next week important economic event is the US CPI data event. So next week Thursday 2.9% is the inflation yearly report. So 2% is the Fed inflation target, is still not reached. The US government shutdown is still continuing. The Fed watch tool shows the October FOMC meeting to two rate cutoff now priced into the market October and December. So I am thinking interesting things. So 50 bps cutoff to the cutoff price into the market with this inflation report. So if 50 bps cutoff price into the market, this will increase to 10%, 15% like this. If inflation report drop from 2.9%, this will increase. That will help to dollar sell off and gold again push to the upside. So touch with this is the interesting things, fundamental things behind the story. So inflation reports is the main reports in next week. US CPI yearly report 2.9%. You should touch with the actual report what is. So let's go to the technically important level if you are trading gold. So next week, this is the 1 hour time frame gold chart. This is the 1 hour chart. You can see this is the support level. Price bounce from this level 3190 level. So this is the main support level. Now this is the press chart. So you should touch with two level. This level is the 4280 level. You can see the left side support. So technically support become resistance. This level also imported the 4310 level. So these two levels, you can see the left side resistance, left side support become resistant in here and can be dropped from this here. So these two levels are more important next week gold trading. So this can be retest and again can be dropped from the gold from this level. So I am not expecting to new all-time high will be created next week. Some retracement to the upside and can be dropped from this in here I am expecting. So these two levels price sections important next week gold trading, and you should combine with the fundamentals and the economic data. So next week gold trading, so not sell off from these levels, can be again continuation, but wait for the buy. So you should touch with the, you should analyze with the these levels fundamentals and these level candlestick actions and these level price sections before get the trade. So next week imported CPI yearly report and US China trade deal you should touch with, and US government shutdown what will going on touch with this. So below side, that is the support level. From breakout this support level, so below is the next level target. So I am hoping next level some retracement to the upside and price can be again drop to the below side. So thank you very much.